Hi, this is Tyler Lord Hamilton. I'm so glad that you made it over here to the collection. Most people don't make it this far. You do something to me, something that mystifies me. Tell me, why should it be true? You have the power to hypnotize me. Yes. Oh, what's the other word? Tell me. Wait, why? Well, oh no, let me, it's hard to lip sync against myself. I think we should continue going with this. I don't think we should turn it off. There, I spin around again. You'll do something to me, something that simply mystifies me. Tell me, why should it be true? You simply have the power to hypnotize me. Oh, I don't think I can finish this song, but I guess, oh, it's finished. So let's just leave it at that. More than 300 million people worldwide struggle with depression every day, and they don't even make it this far so we can meet. I'm so glad to meet you, because these people that couldn't make it today, they feel like they are trapped in their own mind, and you probably know plenty of these people with nowhere to go, that they say. You know, no family, nobody to lean on. But this jewelry line I have created is called Lord Hamilton Collection, Lord Hamilton and Company, Wire Rock Jewelry, what have you, Nature Hike Jewelry. You'll hear different names. And it helps these people cope with their pain. I use semi-precious and precious gemstones, agate, amethyst, minerals, abalone, citrine, diamonds if I'm commissioned to do that work. All that can be retrieved from walks and hikes, thus be shipped over to me so I can be commissioned by each client to be the curator of their own wired rock from this earth that they can use around their neck for mindfulness. Using ocean glass and mirrors with other medium to be basketed and hand-picked from the placement of caged treasures. The line is known for my avid copper rose-colored gold wiring and sterling to come with gold-filled wire wrapping technique, while my artistry runs through the hearts and minds of those needing to ride their rocks straight from out of their heads. Some of my rocks come from out of the ocean, and I can guarantee that I send those rocks to you with an ocean scent. How amazing is that? No jewelry does that. No jewelry line gives you such luxury and nature at the same time. Right from out of the ocean, I go straight to the copper and I'll ship that rock to you. This jewelry, people, is so special because, as you can already experience, that each piece is different from the next, like people are. That's what makes it high class. And quality over quantity is something that our company lives by. The trademark is your story and your face and your name written on each rock that I will commission in your name to be shipped back over to you, and to never be washed away by water or an oppressive society by chained, linked fences. No other brand has been so luxurious, like I say, and so natural at the same time as art as medicine for the depressed. It is simple rocks that makes each client work through their karma. Every copper bend, prick from the edge of the wire to crimping. The rusticness is elegant class and is lifestyle jewelry alive for you to feel on your own body. This is one of my favorite ones too. This is $2,200. This is wearing art as medicine. You are here and you have heard that you are your own self-alchemist to change yourself from a rock heart to a loving heart of peace and joy. Let's go. My gosh, I'm so sexy. Oh my gosh, that's fabulous. It's wonderful. Doing, 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 my doing is driving my doing, does the driving my doing. Is that funny? Yeah. Bye-bye. Bitch. Is that good? Yeah.